Hey, Moondog here. Now, like many of you, I have a favorite pair of old school headphones. And of course, as time has gone on, and of course technology has advanced, Bluetooth has now pretty much taken over the world in terms of audio. Now, the problem is some of those new Bluetooth headphones have gotten to be incredibly expensive. And to be perfectly honest, some of my older studio headphones have at least as good audio quality, if not better, than some of these $200, $300 Bluetooth headsets, or even some older school earbuds. Well, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily turn your old school wired audio listening devices and make them compatible for Bluetooth, because obviously everything in the world is going Bluetooth, especially now with phones. Like if you have a newer model iPhone, or in this case an Android phone, there's not even a audio port out. It's just a USB-C port out, so you can't even attach one of these to your phone without a USB-C to audio adapter, in which case that takes over your USB port, so you can't charge your phone while you're listening to your device. So what can you do? Well, you just get one of these. This is a J25 Bluetooth receiver sent to me by Comsoon for this review, and I'm going to show you how to convert your old school headphones to use Bluetooth. So first we'll take a quick look at what you get in the box, and then I'm going to show you how this attaches to your headphones, and we're going to take a listen to the kind of audio that you get. Okay, this is what you get in the box. The box itself is pretty standard looking in terms of small electronics from China. The J25 Bluetooth receiver is what it's called. So let's take a look at what you get inside. Okay, we have a USB-C cable. We have a standard 3.5 millimeter male-to-male connector cable. Oh, and we have a male-to-male adapter, and the unit itself is rather small. Gosh, this is about the size of, say, a remote fob for your car, so very compact. Okay, so let's turn this on and see if it has a charge. And yes, in fact, it is 2/3 charged, so we won't need to use the USB charger for the moment. And it is automatically looking for a connection, a Bluetooth connection. So let me charge up the phone here. Yes, I see it, J25, so let's click on that and see if we're paired up. Connecting. Yes. All right, we're paired up. Okay, how to attach one of these to a pair of these. But before I get into it, I would kindly like to ask you to please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that like button, the notification bell, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And of course, if you like this content, share it with your friends and family who like cool gadgets like the J25. All right, so the J25, as we saw, I paired it with my phone, and it has a little 3.5 millimeter jack, which is just the standard audio jack for most headphones. If you happen to have a high-end headphone that has the larger old school, I think an inch and an 1/8 inch jack, you just need an adapter. You just plug in your 3.5 millimeter jack into the port, and Bob's your uncle. As long as you have this paired up with your phone, you're good to go. Now, the device itself also has a play, pause, and call button. Now, if you happen to get a phone call while this is attached, you can just press this button. It has a built-in microphone to pick up your voice, and you can talk with it. I've tested that out. This is one thing I wish that Comsoon had built into this, a way to attach this to your lapel or your pocket. But obviously, they had designed this really for car audio, and I'm actually hacking the device, so to speak, in terms of how you could use it for headphones. So that's just something in the future. I think that it would be nice if they could figure out a way to clip this on. Anyway, without further ado, let's listen to the actual audio. Now, as you may have noticed, the audio may seem a little weird. That's because I actually have a microphone tucked in underneath this ear cup here, so you can hear what I'm hearing. All right, so it has some volume toggles on the left. It goes up to 15, And this also controls the skip function on your playlist, so that's also handy. So let's just listen to some old school tunes in my old school headset. And then you can skip. Okay, hold up. I just had to listen to the footage I just took, and it sounded awful. It has nothing to do with the J25 itself. It sounded perfectly fine in my headphones. Unfortunately, the microphone that I'd stuffed into the ear cup, well, it's not made to pick up sound stuffed inside of an ear cup, so it sounded weird and distorted. The unit itself sounds much more just normal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this directly into the camera that I'm speaking to you on right now so that you can more accurately hear what I was hearing. So bear with me here. I'm going to plug this in right now. Okay, so hopefully that little sound snippet gave you a sense of the sound quality that you're going to get directly from the J25. And if you're interested in picking up one of these, they're less than 18 bucks on Amazon. I've included a link in the video description. If you're interested in picking one up, use that link because the channel does get a small commission when you use that link, and it doesn't cost you any more than if you didn't use that link. And if you found this review, this little mini review, to be helpful for you, please remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching. Moondog, out. Hey, if you like this video, please share it on social media. You know, Facebook, forums, MeWe, whatever platform you're on. And if you want to see more videos, check out moondogindustries.com.